Hi, I'm Pat McGrew. This is Print Sample TV, and welcome to part 2 of Symeta Print Samples, the unboxing. So in the last episode, I told the story of who Symeta are and what they do and why I'm so excited by them. This is the box that they sent, and this is a box full of print samples. So they did a very nice job of giving me a variety. So let's see what's really in here. So the first thing they've sent are a bunch of cards. Now each one says specimen on the back, some really nice images on the front to really show off the kinds of printing that they can do. Shows off their ability to create personalized postcards that could go to any of your customers. Doesn't matter whether you're trying to keep a transaction customer intrigued and using your transaction products like insurance or bank accounts, or you're talking to somebody who's coming into your grocery store or your retail outlet. Next, bigger size. These are envelopes, and inside of the envelopes, which are personalized, are more personalized messages. And these are personalized offers, each one of which in the envelopes shows that they can send different offers to different people. So envelope 1 had these offers, envelope 2 had these offers. So, okay, you've got my attention. We can create some pretty cool envelopes. And my gosh, isn't that printing spectacular? So, okay, what else do we have down in here? Well, even cooler, very nicely wrapped, right? Very nicely wrapped. So inside, we'll open this one. This is done for Zeb. And Zeb is one of the customers who have worked with Symeta really long time to create some really spectacular campaigns that make personalized offers based on your preference data in their loyalty program. Okay, so that's a lot. Why don't you come back next time and we'll do the rest of the box. I'm Pat McGrew. This is Print Sample TV, and we know you'll come back.